Hey, what's going on? If you're one of those people that's wondering, do those diesel Chinese heaters work? Well, I have a Vevor, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, diesel heater. But if you wonder if it works, well, it works. There's my exhaust tip. This one's mounted on the outside because I do use this truck to 4x4 a bit. It's just covered because it snows. There's a winch in the back. Call it a hotel piece of Chevy. On this one I did drill a hole in the cab. Obviously you can see the ducting that comes in behind the rear seat and blows down onto the floor. It's 14 degrees in here, minus 20 degrees Celsius outside. Keeps the cab nice and warm. I rarely idle the truck anymore. Just turn the heater on and or set the temperature. Even comes with a little remote. It was inexpensive. I mean, depending how complicated of plumbing you want, but hey, it works. Keeps my windshield defrosted. Yeah, this thing's cooking. This controller was on the unit itself. It's a self-contained unit with the diesel tank and the heater inside of it. I extended the wires so I could bring it inside the cab, so when I set the temperature it actually reacts to the temperature that's in the cab. Not sure if you can see that. Back here I got the elbow pointing down, and yeah, burns hot, heats up this cab pretty quick. Goes underneath. You know, this thing burns hot. I mean, it's sucking fresh air at minus 20 and it burns hot, so you'll have to make sure you have a clear path, because you're gonna smell your carpet or whatever it's in there. So we kind of resolved that. So I'm running on high, half hour. It's plus 18 degrees in here. I mean, it's nice and toasty. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Have I had any issues? I had this heater about 2 years before I installed it. Fired up, worked good for about a day or two, and then E3 glow plug issue. I tested the glow plug, it was open. Amazon, 20 bucks. It was here next day. Put it in, fired up, works great. I do recommend a little bit of kerosene, like a couple ounces for, you know, 5 liters, maybe 3 ounces, 4 ounces, whatever. Burns cleaner. Yeah, it works. It's cold here, and cab is nice and toasty, so it makes me really happy. Thanks for watching. Like if you do like. If not, peace. Love you too. Take care. So now when you're in a parking lot or sitting somewhere, you don't have to idle the truck at all. Just chilling here. It's nice and warm. A lot of heat blowing from down here. Keep your boots warm. And obviously there's a few settings. I'm not sure, you know, installations could be a little bit difficult, but I'm sure enjoying having a warm cab and not have to idle my truck with the big cam. Just lumps around. Yeah, I believe it saves some fuel.